In the grand tapestry of logistics, the choice of transportation mode is akin to selecting the right thread to weave through the fabric of a supply chain. Each mode, be it road, rail, air, or sea, carries its unique set of advantages and disadvantages, painting a complex picture of costs, speed, reliability, and capacity. Let's embark on a journey through these modes, starting with the road. Road transportation, with its extensive network, offers the utmost flexibility and door-to-door service. It's like the nimble messenger of the transport world, able to navigate through the nooks and crannies of cities and rural areas alike. However, this flexibility comes at a cost. Road transport is susceptible to traffic delays, weather conditions, and has relatively higher costs for long-distance hauls. Furthermore, it's also seen as less environmentally friendly compared to other modes like rail or sea. Rail transportation, on the other hand, is the stalwart of heavy loads and long distances. It's like the workhorse of the supply chain, offering cost-effective, reliable, and environmentally friendly options for bulk shipments. However, rail's strength is also its limitation. The reliance on rail tracks and scheduled timings means it lacks the door-to-door flexibility of road transport. Plus, the initial investment in rail infrastructure and equipment is substantial, making it less suitable for smaller or less frequent shipments. Then there's the realm of air transportation, the speed king of the logistics world. It's the go-to option for time-sensitive or high-value goods, offering unmatched speed and reliability. But, as with all premium services, the cost is a significant factor. Air freight is often the most expensive mode, limiting its use to goods where speed or product value justifies the cost. Moreover, capacity constraints and weather susceptibility can also pose challenges. Maritime transport casts a wide net, perfect for moving large volumes of goods across continents. It's the backbone of global trade, offering cost-efficient solutions for bulk shipments. However, its slower speed and susceptibility to weather conditions mean it's not cut out for urgent deliveries. The reliance on ports and associated infrastructure also introduces complexities in terms of handling and inland distribution. Peering deeper into the operations and costs of these modes reveals a web of factors. Road transport, with its reliance on fuel, labor, and maintenance, can see costs fluctuate with fuel prices and labor rates. Rail transport, while more fuel efficient, requires significant investments in infrastructure and rolling stock. Air freight, though fast and reliable, contends with fuel costs, aircraft maintenance, and the need for specialized handling facilities. Maritime transport, while cost-effective per ton-mile, deals with port charges, customs fees, and the additional cost and time of inland transportation from ports. The selection of a specific mode or combination thereof hinges on a delicate balance of factors. The nature of the goods is paramount. Perishable goods might necessitate the speed of air freight, while bulky items might be more suited to sea or rail. The urgency of delivery, the distance to be covered, cost considerations, and the reliability and availability of each mode also weigh heavily in the decision. Not to forget, environmental concerns are increasingly pushing companies to consider the carbon footprint of their transportation choices. The infrastructure associated with each mode is like the stage on which the logistics performance unfolds. Road transport relies on a network of highways, local roads, and trucking terminals. Rail transport requires tracks, stations, and terminals equipped for loading and unloading. Air freight necessitates airports with cargo handling facilities, while maritime transport is centered around ports, equipped not just for docking but for the complex choreography of loading, unloading, customs clearance, and onward distribution. In conclusion, navigating the choice of transportation mode is like charting a course through a complex landscape of costs, time, reliability, and capacity. It's about understanding the unique melody of each mode and composing a symphony that aligns with the strategic objectives, operational needs, and the overarching melody of the organization's supply chain strategy.